These free DIY pergola plans will help you build that much-needed structure in your backyard. To give you shade, cover your hot tub, or simply make a space special. There are plans available for a wide variety of pergola styles. You can choose between materials like wood or aluminum, having an attached or freestanding pergola, or one with louvered or static slats. Canopies are also available to lay atop this landscaping feature to give you extra sun, weather protection. Building a pergola can be a simple or challenging building project, depending on what plan you pick. So make sure you know your skill level. But there are items like pergola brackets that make attaching these structures to a deck much easier. Every plan here includes building instructions, tool and material lists.
Bolted to the siding, a gentle incline, sloping steel roof, making silverback shade. Rain tap dances on the galvanized overhang, a perfect structural exhale from the garden.
So
I just signed the papers on my volcano lair.
have the shed here.
Thermal heating, got the ergonomic chair.
Just gonna close the door.
Morale, well, it's a bit complex. They complained about the uniforms, they complained about the flags. But that's fine, it's cool. I'm just rolling with the flow. I'm about to steal the moon, or maybe just the gold. Got my laser focused, got my spreadsheets clean. Plotting world domination served up on a creme brulee.
What do you think?
scene. The heroes are assembling, they're wearing spandex
So?
pride. They think they've got a chance to stop my plan tonight. They're giving me the monologue, the one about the good.
It's heavy.
Checking my Apple Watch like, dude, I understood. It's the evil laugh, yeah, the evil laugh. It's perfectly pitched. I practiced in the bath. A little dry, but that's okay. I'll steal the world's Wi-Fi and then I'll go cliche. It's the evil laugh, gotta make it shine. Gonna conquer all of time. Just after I check out of line, and I remember to pay the electric bill this time. My custom super weapon, it's a marvel of design. It's a giant plated automatic coffee line. It doesn't destroy the cities, it just decaffeinates the folks. So everyone is slightly tired and the whole world's a joke. I'm so far ahead, I'm in a different league. I outsourced all the heavy lifting to a tech-savvy intrigue. I've got an exit strategy and it involves a yacht and a tiny little dog with a diamond-encrusted spot. The hero burst the doorway, he's breathing heavily, says, "You've gone too far, you've ruined everything." I just shrug
I'm using stainless steel.
with a very casual side.
Oops.
I thought I just put pineapple on a pizza. High five. It's the evil laugh, yeah, the evil laugh. It's perfectly pitched. I practiced in the bath.
So we're just gonna clean it up. We got so much garbage. We're gonna go to the dump to clean up. Hopefully we're gonna clean this up and the barbecue. What do you think, Mirage? What do you think? Is it good? Was it good? So, the patio is done. We just need to bolt it. We just need to bolt it. It's snowing right now. It's snowing. So this is the we got this on Wayfair. It's about 2,500 in Wayfair. You just have to install it yourself. Just to cover. This is for covering. And this is cold. It's still cold. So yeah, there's an extension, but yeah, you still have to hold this down. See, we need to bolt it down. It hasn't bolted yet. Yeah, sorry for the mess. We still have to throw this garbage. Yeah, it's snowing right now. Crazy snow. Probably destroy the apples.
I'm gonna swap all the prices so the world buys the wrong thing. Well, that's enough world domination for a Tuesday Minion 5. Get my robe and schedule a mani-pedi for the apocalypse.
Check out the.
Wheeze. Did you see what I did there?
This is how it looks like, folks.
Perfect.
Need some. Look it from afar. Still have to clear the construction debris. So we need to paint the walls. Not bad, really. So you walk here.
Whoa, from Mactan to Malapascua,
Here.
abot sa Limasawa, Masin City,
Walk here, and there's a dog.
Reggae.
Out.
Balik ta sa beat, balik ko ng
To go
bisan.
outside.
Gikan sa Cebu, Leyte, ang atong dughan.
Gonna fix
Tingog
this.
sa dagat, ritmo sa atong yuta.
This in the middle.
Sagit ko, Senyor, sama sa sinulog lingaw ang atong
Some screw.
amor. Kami ang sutukil, fresh good ang isda. Salamat po, proud ta sa ating kasaysayan, di ba? Mga ngayon park, high-rise building,
What do you think?
grabe
What do you think,
ka
Mirage? What can you say? Sit. Sit here. Sit here. Yeah, sit.
Mga bisdak, kita ang original
There you go.
island vibe.
So what do you think of the project? Huh?
Molawig ta, tabok sa tuling nga dagat.
Let's travel across the swift sea.
Leyte ang silingan ng atong soulmate.
Later, a soulmate.
Sa ormok matam is ang atong nanay.
Sa Tacloban, kusog ang hangin.
Walay delay.
Lay dilim.
San Juanico Bridge, taas ug nindot tanawon.
San Juanico Bridge.
Nagkonekta sa amoa ang atong gugmadayon.
Mga tunggok madaw.
Mga isig katawo, relax lang ayaw kaulaw.
Pilopipay sa
There's
Leyte.
holes
Walay
on it.
makalupaw, balik ta sa beat, balik ko ng bisan. Gikan sa Cebu, Leyte ang atong dughan. Tingog sa dagat, ritmo sa atong yuta. Pagkagwapa sa atong dapit, walay makalimtan.
So I'm using stainless steel.
Sa beat, balik ko
These are stainless steel.
Gikan sa Cebu, Leyte ang atong dughan. sa dagat, ritmo sa atong yuta. Ang sagwa pa sa atong dapit,
Think of the mats here, the washers here.
hala dayon na sa maasin, the gateway.
Come to my things
Sa Southern Leyte, maoni ang place to stay.
inside the city.
Malinawon ang syudad, malipayon ang tao. Ang baybay tanan mo hingon, wow! Maningamon ka, pagdaro sa atong uma. Sa tinuod lang pure maasin ang tibuok kalagda.
Truly we are pure maasi.
Adto sa Monte Jehovah, mangayo og grasya.
Let's go to Montevideo.
Kini ang maasin ang among Pasko ug kasumaran. Dili importante kung asa ka nagdako.
It doesn't matter where
Ang importante ang Bisaya blood mo daloy.
what matters is the Bisaya blood flow.
Reggae ang kanta, atong himuon peaceful.
So this is the stud bolt. I mean the anchor bolts that we're gonna put.
Balik ta sa beat, baliko ng bisan.
They only have a flimsy washer here. We need a thicker version of this. How many?
Walay makalimtan.
We need a stronger version of this so it doesn't fly.
Sulong mga pista.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Wala.
So 8.
One Visayas.
I need to get a bigger a thicker version of this washer. These are the anchor bolts. Yeah, I think I need to find a bigger version of this. So this is the masonry drill bit. This is a 3/8 size. I don't know if this is 3/8, but it's what we're gonna use to drill the concrete cement, the concrete pump foundation. We have 8 stud. We call this anchor bolts. 3/8. Anyway, so far so good. We can barbecue here. No need to worry about the snow. Inside now. Oh, outside. We can barbecue here. We can work out. What do you think? It's nice, huh? Some barbecue here. Guess we could use this grill again. Just have to clean it up. Maybe I should spray it with the oven cleaner. Anyway, it's so messy right now because we still have to do some spring cleaning. The van, they repainted the van, so we're just waiting for the van to finish, and so we can actually throw some garbage in the landfill. And that's the plan. Yeah. What do you think, folks? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Not bad for I need to paint this thing. I need to paint this crack patina. Once it's summertime, I think I'm gonna clean it, paint it again. This dog wants to get in again. Yeah. So it only took 8 hours to install it. Not bad, huh? Not bad. How do you call this? Patio? Patio shade?
My final evil action, this is gonna sting. I'm gonna swap all the prices so the world buys the wrong thing. Well, that's enough world domination for us.
So you saw the project, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and sign up on my link below if you want extra income. If you want a daily residual income, sign up on my link below.
Perfect.
Enjoy the channel. Please comment, like, comment, and subscribe. This is the VIDZMO channel. See ya at the top. Like and subscribe and click on my link below and sign up if you want extra income.